So here's a fun fact. So when you have a respiratory virus or your child has a respiratory virus, one thing you can do to help your body fight off this virus is stop the dairy. So whenever you're sick with a respiratory virus, you have an influx of mucus and inflammation in your body. And dairy actually causes inflammation and increase in mucus in your body. So it's really important to help your body in any way possible to, decrease the inflammation, decrease, the congestion, which again is that buildup of mucus. Now, if you have an infant, you cannot do this because their main source of nutrition and food is usually some type of formula or breast milk. So you cannot cut off dairy for an infant, that is their food. But if they are refusing to, drink a lot of their milk, what you can do is also add Pedialyte. So Pedialyte is a thinner electrolyte, and it does have like salts and things in it, so they're still getting some type of nutrition, because you don't want an electrolyte imbalance or any dehydration to occur. But yes, so even when you're sick, like if you love dairy and you're eating it, you're just adding more mucus to your body, which makes it really, really hard to fight off when you're already so congested and inflamed. And with my children, anytime they get a respiratory virus, we're not drinking any dairy, we're not eating any cheese, and it just helps them recover a lot faster, because again, you're not creating more mucus. So yeah, if you didn't know, dairy does create inflammation in your body. It does increase mucus production. So it's a really good thing that when you are sick, on top of all the other things, which you again treat the immune system versus the actual symptoms. I'm not saying do not treat the symptoms. I'm just saying making sure when you are treating your symptoms that you're taking vitamin C, quercetin, zinc. These are all good things to help your body fight these things off. But also, if you just stop the dairy for a little bit while you're sick, you'll see a faster recovery. So have a wonderful day, guys.